Hey there, it's Dr. Jim. Thank you for stopping by. My topic today, developing employees into leaders. Good topic. Grooming today's employees into tomorrow's leaders is a smart practice in today's marketplace. Many leaders know that one of their main roles is to impart what they know into their employees and train their replacement. Think about those words. I'm a leader. One of my top roles is to train my replacement, replace myself. Most leaders are flexible and want to take on greater and greater tasks and roles or other positions, and they don't want to remain stagnant in one role for too long. So they begin the training process to replace themselves with the next great employee in line. This takes a lot of time. It takes patience and commitment on the part of the leader, and it takes a desire to learn and step up on the part of the employee. Two-way street. But this can be a win-win situation, as it is far easier to hire within the organization rather than seeking someone outside. So, the importance of employee development is something that we just can't overstress it. Developing employees into leaders. While there are many reasons why developing employees is smart business, here are a few that rise to the top of my list, in my opinion. Maintaining a rigorous employee development program makes the organization more competitive, especially among millennials. Listen to me out there, millennials. Listen to me out there, people who manage millennials. Millennials desire more training opportunities. They want more education. They want more opportunities. Millennials tend to get bored. Now, this is not my opinion. This is based on literature. It appears that as a generation or a cohort of individuals, millennials tend to get bored performing the same job without learning new information. So, tailoring a generation-specific development model would be beneficial. How many companies out there are competing for the same pool of employees? Lots of them, lots of them. It is therefore important to develop good programs to keep your current team well developed and constantly learning. Another area that can improve with strong employee education is skills development. There appears to be a skills shortage out there, and a development program might be the answer to that problem. We may actually have a shortage of very specific types of employees who have job-critical skills in multiple industries. Younger employees may not want to go into certain careers, and therefore they just never develop job-critical skills that it takes to work in certain industries like healthcare, senior care, medicine, maybe heavy industries. Lots of different industries out there are sorely lacking people with job skills. It's amazing, it really is. So a big takeaway from this video is investing now, heavily investing now in skills development may pay huge dividends later. I'm Dr. Jim. Take some time to develop your employees into future leaders.